If you're trying to log in into your Facebook account using Safari, but it's causing you this problem like Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid, then it's basically because like the link you just entered is incorrect. So just search for Facebook like this in a normal way and then click on the first link and it'll take you to the login page of Facebook like this. If you're still facing the problem, your account might be banned, so check that. If your account is not banned and you're still facing this issue, the next thing you can do is try to clear the cache of Safari. Just open up your settings, scroll all the way down and click on apps, and over here you want to find Safari and click on it. From here you can scroll down and click on clear history, click on all history and click on clear. By doing that, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, I would suggest you to check if Facebook servers are down or not. Sometimes Facebook servers are down, so you cannot log in into your account. For that, you can just open up your browser and type is Facebook server down, and it'll show you like this. Just open up the first website and it's going to show you. So right now there's no problem, so that means it's my login issue. That's how we guys can fix this problem. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and if Facebook is not opening from Safari, just use another browser like Google Chrome or anything else. Okay, it should work from there.